Number 5. The 2014 F-150. The 2014 was the final year of the steel-bodied truck, and that fact alone makes it worth a closer look. By this point, Ford had spent years fine-tuning the 12th generation, and most of the early growing pains had already been ironed out. What you're getting here is a truck that benefits from everything Ford learned across that generation's entire production run, and that experience really does show up in the reliability numbers. The 5-liter Coyote offered in this year had already been proven through several years of real-world use by the time 2014 arrived. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost had also come a long way from its rockier early days, and if you'd rather skip turbochargers altogether and stick with naturally aspirated reliability, the 6.2-liter Boss was available and had a solid track record. Steel body construction gives you proven durability along with repair costs that won't break the bank. The electrical systems had been debugged, and the transmission troubles that plagued earlier years had largely been resolved by this point. Owner data and mechanic feedback both point to consistently positive reliability ratings for the 2014 F-150, no matter which engine option you go with. Fleet operators regularly report service lives stretching past 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. This model year gives you modern features without the complexity and early production headaches that came with the aluminum-bodied trucks that followed it. It's a genuine sweet spot in F-150 history. Number 4. The 2012 F-150. The 2012 F-150 is the year Ford rolled out the now legendary 5-liter Coyote V8, and that engine alone makes this model year worth serious consideration. This naturally aspirated V8 is exactly the kind of engine that experienced truck owners tend to appreciate. There are no turbochargers to eventually fail, no intercoolers that could leak, and no high-pressure systems creating expensive headaches down the line. It makes its power the old-fashioned way, through displacement and engineering that's had time to prove itself. The Coyote V8 is built around a straightforward design that any competent mechanic can work on without much fuss. Diagnosing problems is simple, repairs are reasonably priced, and the engine has racked up a strong track record across hundreds of thousands of trucks on the road. Fleet data and owner reports both show that the 2012 F-150 equipped with the 5-liter Coyote consistently earns positive reliability marks when it's properly maintained. If you need something built for heavy-duty work, the 6.2-liter Boss V8 is also on the table, and if fuel economy is your priority, there's a 3.7-liter V6 option as well. Every engine choice in this model year has proven itself in real-world conditions when it's been taken care of properly. The key with a 2012 is picking the right engine and making sure you've got documented maintenance history to back it up. Stick with the Coyote or the Boss, and you've got yourself a truck capable of serving you well for a very long time. Number 3. The 2018 F-150. The 2018 represents the mid-cycle refresh that cleaned up a lot of the early aluminum body issues, and it stands out as one of the stronger, modern F-150 years available on the used market today. By this point, Ford had worked through most of the electrical and body problems that had plagued the early aluminum trucks. Door latches function the way they're supposed to. The electrical systems are dependable. Build quality had climbed noticeably compared to the 2015 and 2016 model years, and that improvement shows up clearly in owner satisfaction numbers. The updated 5-liter Coyote engine in the 2018 model features both port and direct fuel injection, which helps prevent the carbon buildup that gave earlier direct injection engines a bad reputation. That's a meaningful upgrade when it comes to long-term reliability, and it's the kind of detail you'll be glad exists years down the road. One thing worth flagging: some 2018 trucks with the 5-liter engine have documented oil consumption issues, so if you're considering one, make sure there's proof the problem was properly addressed. The 2.7-liter EcoBoost, or a well-documented 3.5-liter EcoBoost, might be the safer bet for certain buyers depending on that specific truck's history. Owner reports and fleet data both suggest the 2018 F-150 is a solid pick as long as you choose the right engine and confirm the maintenance records. And no matter which used truck you're eyeing, always run a vehicle-specific recall check through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration before you buy. It only takes about 5 minutes, and it could save you thousands. Number 2. The 2009 F-150. The 2009 is widely considered one of the most reliable model years this truck has ever produced, and once you see what Ford did with it, it's not hard to understand why. This was the very first year of the 12th generation, and Ford got nearly everything right straight out of the gate. They brought back proven 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter V8 engines in dependable configurations, delivering straightforward, trustworthy power without any of the complicated cam phaser systems that had made the previous generation such a headache for owners and mechanics alike. After the disaster years of 2004 through 2006, Ford simplified its systems, tightened up build quality, and put long-term dependability ahead of chasing the newest technology trends. The end result was a truck that mechanics genuinely trust, and that fleet operators keep running for years on end. Long-term reliability studies alongside owner feedback show the 2009 F-150 has very low failure rates across essentially every system. Fleet operators regularly report service lives stretching past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. That's not an exaggeration. 300,000 miles on a properly cared-for truck. This model year represents Ford at its best, building something engineered to last, rather than to impress on a spec sheet. If you can track down a clean 2009 with documented service records, you're looking at one of the best values in the used truck market today. Number 1. The 2019 and 2020 F-150. The best F-150 years you can buy right now are the 2019 and 2020 models, sitting right at the top of the 13th generation's reliability range. By this point, Ford had completely worked through the early growing pains that came with the switch to an aluminum body, the same issues that hurt the 2015 and 2016 models. The refined aluminum construction gives you a truck that's lighter, more fuel efficient, and still fully capable of serious work, all without the build quality worries that plagued the earlier aluminum years. The Sync 3 infotainment system is modern and dependable. Safety features got a significant upgrade compared to older generations. Recalls from the early aluminum years had already been addressed, and build quality had reached a point that fleet operators and long-term owners consistently praise. Reliability data backed by Consumer Reports and J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study both place the 2019 and 2020 F-150 among the strongest years for this truck in the modern era, even edging out the 2018 refresh with fewer recalls and higher owner satisfaction scores. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost in these years is a proven engine with its early bugs completely sorted out, and the 5-liter Coyote remains a strong naturally aspirated choice for anyone who prefers simplicity over turbocharged complexity. This is the true sweet spot of modern F-150 ownership: proven technology, current features, and the kind of dependability that makes a truck worth holding on to for the long haul.